At this point, we have learned how to create a table, set up DynamoDB on our local using Docker, and different operations like creating records, getting records, and updating a specific record in our DynamoDB. Let's start with deleting of a record. Let's ensure that we have certain things already in place. So just ensure that you already have Docker running. That is a prerequisite, because I'm not using AWS directly for DynamoDB. I'm using DynamoDB on my local using Docker. So have that Docker container running. So if you have referenced the old videos, you would have come across this DynamoDB setup in Docker Compose file. So if it is not running for you at the moment, you just need to run the command docker compose up -d. I already have this running, so it would just give me this. So -d just runs it in the background. The second part is that to check if I have the records, sum of the records, so that we can delete it going ahead. So since we have already written the get command, so let's test it out, git CRUD and get.js. So this gives me, currently this is giving me a records for a given user. So for this user with the PK value as Rajat, I have 3 records. So we'll delete one of the records here. Code, let's go and create a new file as delete.js. We need to import our DDB client that we created in our Dynamo client file. So going ahead, let's create a function, sync function that take delete to do, that takes in the user ID, to do ID. That is sufficient for us to delete a particular record. So we need command. So let's call it as command, and this is new delete command from lib DynamoDB package of AWS-SDK. So all this needs is the table name. This is to do for us, and the key. So we need to pass the PK as it would be the user ID for us. SK would be your to do ID. So let's go ahead and run this command. So let's do response to await DDB client dot send this delete command, and let's log what we get. Response. Okay, let's go ahead and call this function delete to do. What we need to pass is the PK, the to do ID. Let's delete the record to do 2 with the sort key value as 2. So let's try and run this. Just a small fix. We need to import the complete file with its extension, else it throws an error. CRUD delete and .js. So it says the request has been completed with status 200, attempt source 1, no retry delay or something. So now let's ensure that the record is deleted. CRUD get.js. So we see one record with SK value as 3, the other as 1. So this is deleting a specific